To start with entrepreneurship, you just need to learn Node.js, a popular back-end web development technology. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that allows developers to build scalable and fast applications. If you're new to Node.js, don't worry, there are plenty of resources available online to help you get started. You can find Node.js tutorials on YouTube and other online platforms. These tutorials will guide you through the basics of Node.js, including how to set up a development environment, create a Node.js application. As you learn Node.js, you'll also become familiar with other technologies like Express, a popular web framework for Node.js. Once you've mastered Node.js, the next step is to hire a designer to create a visually appealing design for your application. The design is an important aspect of your product and can greatly impact the user experience. A good designer can help you create a user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing interface for your application. After you have a design, it's time to buy a domain name and merge your Node.js APIS with the design. This is the process of connecting the front end and back end of your application. You can use technologies like React or Angular to create the front end and connect it to your Node.js APIS. With your APIS and design merged, you're ready to launch your product and start your own company. You can deploy your application on a cloud platform like AWS or Google Cloud Platform and start marketing your product to potential customers. In summary, learning Node.js is a great way to get started with entrepreneurship. By following tutorials on YouTube, hiring a designer, and merging your APIS with design, you can create a product and launch your own company. Remember to choose technologies that are scalable and maintainable in the long term, and keep learning and iterating as you grow your business.